1 field, several values, channel IDs, emails, order numbers. The action takes 1 value, so you duplicate the step. 3 values, 3 copies. Iterator by string solves this in 1 step. It splits the string by a delimiter and runs the next steps once per value. 3 IDs, 3 iterations, 1 slack step. Add the tool right after the trigger. Search for Iterator by string in the action list in the Tools group. In string to split, enter your list of values, the Slack channel IDs. In delimiter, enter the character between them, a comma. Split limit caps the iterations. If values have spaces after the delimiter, turn on trim spaces. Open the Slack action, send message. In the channel ID field, select the result value from the iterator. Write the message once. The same template is used for every iteration. On each run, the Slack step executes separately for every value. Iteration 1, 2, 3. 1 action, and every channel gets the message. Use it whenever one field holds several values. Many channels, many recipients, a task per list item. Full guide in the description.